Heyo, it's Abby, and I am back with my sticker binder from, I want to say when I was around like 10, 12, somewhere between there, early 2000s-ish. I'm a little nervous to show this, like, I don't think there's anything embarrassing in here, but, like, don't judge me. Also, this binder was this dirty, like, when I was 10, so, yeah. I wonder if I could wash it, like, I'd be worried about this stuff peeling off. Anyway, I have two sticker books. This was the size that everyone had. This was the popular one. You open it up, and there are these little sticker books that you could buy, let's see, for 180 yen. I remember they went up to like 200 yen. Yeah, this one was 250 yen because it was Sanrio. This was my very first sticker book. Sticker album, whatever you want to call it. And I had so many. We're gonna page through them, and here's one in the back. Here's one that I made myself with tape because I realized that stickers peeled off of packaging tape. And this was a sticker book that I think a relative brought me from America because they knew that I love stickers, collected stickers, and I was like the only person in my friend group that had this sticker album, and I felt very special. Yeah, it's Sandy Lion sticker design, printed in Canada. I always thought Sandy Lion was American. I actually didn't know that. Oh my goodness, where do we start? Let's look at the Pooh Bear album first. So I have a hamster Toblerone sticker on here, and a little hamster with cheese. I don't know if I put it on there, if they fell off of a different album. If you had a sticker binder, you know how it goes. So, oh wait, I think I doxed myself. Let me, I have my full name on here. Let's hide that. So one of the things that I really enjoyed doing with my sticker books was moving my stickers around, organizing them, reorganizing them, filling in slots, you know, if like I traded and stuff. And towards the end, I was really into like cramming as many stickers as I could. I didn't really care about aesthetic. This was I think it was my like American stickers sticker book, but there's some like other ones. I remember that sticker. Yeah, I think, oh yeah, and Cartoon Network. I remember that the cable guy gave me 2 sheets of these, and for some reason I put both sheets on here because why not? We have some Bible verse stickers, and then these were gifted to me by someone. I don't remember all this, but look at how nicely I have these lined up here. Also, sorry, the sun is going down. Hopefully you can see that a little better now. I actually haven't looked at this sticker book in a while myself. It does bring back memories. Look at the little Lisa Frank stickers. That's a Lisa Frank sticker. Next page, we have a lot of this little child with his shovel here. Must have been like a sheet, you know those, I think they're like Sandy Lion, right? Stickers. Yeah, I don't know why I felt the need to put every single sticker I owned into a sticker book, but you know, it was about keeping the collection together, you know? Oh, and so in Japan there's a channel, NHK, Nihon Hoso Kyoku, I guess, Japan Broadcasting, blah blah blah. And they used to come by every month to collect money. That's a mandatory thing here in Japan. You have to pay if you have a TV or a cell phone or like a GPS in your car. It's crazy. They will stalk you and hunt you down to make you pay. Anyway, they used to bring me sticker sheets. Every time they would come, every month, there'd be a different sticker sheet, and I loved it. And then one day, she stopped giving them to me because I was too old. I think I was like, 12-ish. And that was like the saddest day of my life. Not gonna lie. So these are characters from the NHK Kids show. It's like PBS, I guess. We have some church stickers. I think one of my Sunday school teachers gave me these. I thought they were super cute. I think this unicorn is like peeling off. I don't know what's happening here. It's not sticky at all. That's funny. It's also very dirty. Don't look at that. I guess I liked Donald Duck back then. Ah yes, let me dox myself anyway. Here's an Abigail sticker. Look at that. I was actually very proud of these stickers, but like no one wanted to trade them because who wants an Abigail sticker? But they look super cool. You know what? I think I actually traded one that was here. More Bible verse stickers. Oh, do you guys remember these fuzzy, fluffy stickers? I don't know where these came from. Oh, and also these hammy stickers, them holding hands. I remember that I would like rip these when I was like peeling them off the sticker book. Good times. Here we have some puffy hammy stickers. Loved those. We have some old Koro Koro Kuririn stickers. Guys, the nostalgia. The American flag, because why not? I don't remember where these came from. I feel like they came from like a textbook or something. I'm not sure. This one is a little more obvious. It's my Hamutaro page. Oh, look at this butterfly escaped from the other side. I guess I had a little Hamutaro theme going on with, a hint of Tweety Bird and a little Bible verse and 2 random bunny stickers. Oh no, there's some random koalas in there. I think my whole thing was like making everything fit nicely. So probably that's what happened. Oh, and then, I made more room for more stickers that never came. Look at those little piglets. Why did we treat our stickers like so badly? Why did we not care that the corners were all like bent and dented and dirty? I guess that's just how it is. Oh, this page was my pride and joy. Oh no, it's stuck. Hold on. Look at these. Okay, I remember the story behind these. So one of my Sunday school teachers for my birthday took me to like a stationery store, and that was the first time anyone had ever said, I'll buy you anything you want. It was between 10 and 12. I don't remember the exact year, but that was the first time anyone had ever said that to me. I didn't know adults had money like that. Growing up, we weren't super poor, but my parents were very strict and very, they were good at budgeting, and, they didn't waste money. And I didn't even have an allowance. I had to do, like, chores around the house to earn money and stuff. And I was never lacking. But this year, for my birthday, we went to the store and she said, you can have anything you want. So I got these sheets of Disney stickers that at the time, I think they were like 400 yen. My however-year-old self could not afford those. And I was like, really? And I think it's like 3 sheets maybe. I think it was a Little Mermaid sheet, Alice in Wonderland sheet. And then she was like, why don't you get this one too? Because she liked Disney princesses, so she got me like the sheet with all the princesses, and I was so proud of these pages. I mean, it still kind of looks good. Unfortunately, Aurora stuck to herself there. I think she came from over here. Also, I think I'm losing my voice or something. Sorry about that. And then here's some other Disney stickers that I stuck down. And yeah, for a while, I think the whole book was full, but then I don't know, moved stuff around. I had these are like, school teacher stickers, like, good job. And of course, I made a grid, I guess. Like, put the pandas together, put the cats together, I don't know, like, who knows what was going on in my head. Oh, I was so proud of these stickers too. I don't remember where I got them, but I had 4 of them. My friends would ask to trade for them. I'd be like, no, nothing's good enough. Because, like, who has, like, cute big stickers like these that they're willing to trade, right? So I still have them. They survived many, many years of sticker collecting and trading. Oh, and yes, more. I feel like some of these cats are like meme cats. Looking good. What appeal? Just peachy. Orangey gray. They don't make stickers like this anymore. Actually, I don't know. I only buy stickers in Japan now, so. That was my Pooh Bear sticker album. Let's move on to my sticker binder. This binder was also a birthday gift when I think it was my 10-year birthday. And I remember it was one of the older girls from church. She may have been a teenager at the time. I remember she noticed that I was the only one that didn't have a sticker binder. I think I had like 2 of these sticker books that I don't even remember. Did my mom buy this for me? Did my grandma buy this for me? I don't remember. But she noticed, and she called my mom and was like, hey, can I buy Abby a sticker binder for her birthday? And my mom was like, sure, whatever. And she gifted me this. And that's a core memory, guys. So yeah, I hope she's doing well. Anyway, I know that my sticker books had themes back in the day. This was my very first one. I do remember that. So if you open it up, it is a mess of stickers. It was literally like any stickers I could get my hands on. And you see, like, the stickers would like rip off the page. A lot of these were like the stickers that came with manga, like Chao and Nakayoshi, that I would mooch off of my friends. Here's more NHK stickers. Hey kids! Pao Pipo. I think that was a giraffe, like a Sanrio giraffe sticker. Ooh, I was super proud of this Cherry Blossom Pooh Bear sticker. I don't remember any of the others. Oh, I loved my fuzzy black cat stickers. So growing up, I didn't have any pets. I really wanted a cat. My dad's like deathly allergic, so no cats allowed anywhere in the, like, anywhere. But one of my neighbors was a crazy cat lady, and she took in so many strays, and she'd feed them, they'd live in her house, and she had a black cat, and I would go over to see her cats, and she said that one of the cats could be mine. So I chose the black cat. Her name was Maddie, and she got hit by a car. But anyway, so I think it was her daughter gave me a sheet of black cat stickers, and they're still here. This is crazy, guys. Like, looking back on this, we have some fairies, Disney alphabet stickers. I do remember these stickers. Some crazy, like, holographic stickers. Yeah, nothing super crazy here. Oh, okay. I traded for these. Growing up, was not allowed to collect or play Pokemon because, evolution. I grew up in a super conservative church, but anyway, I had these stickers, and I knew that I was not allowed to have them, so I always was, like, nervous that my mom would see them. But I don't think she would have recognized them as Pokemon anyway, now that I think about it. But anyway, I was super proud of my Venticular Pokemon sticker. And random August calendar, I guess. We could figure out what year it was by looking at that. Yeah, I had some Pokemon stickers. That was like the few pages. Just trying to stay cool, be on the in, you know. Oh, and then I had a page of glow-in-the-dark stickers. This page was full, but I slowly traded them away. Look how dirty this is. Okay, so that was my very, very first sticker book. Let's just kind of page through the others. Sorry if this video is getting long, and also sorry my voice is giving out. I don't know what's going on with that. I guess this is my Pooh Bear sticker book. Lots of Pooh Bear. I don't know why I have so much Pooh Bear stuff. I never disliked Pooh Bear, but maybe I got a lot of Pooh Bear stickers. This sticker book's actually really nice. It's still, like, super slick and glossy. Very good for stickers. Yep, just random Pooh Bear stickers. Praying hands. Baby woodpecker. What is his name? Afro-Ken. Oh, a wedding sticker. That's actually doxing people. And then, I don't know what this sticker... Oh, this might have been, like, animals? I think this was my animal book, because it was, like, the hamster sticker book. So we have hamsters... A mini Moni sticker. More mini Moni. Hamutaro. I remember hamsters were, like, in when I was little. Bunnies, hamsters, pandas. I don't seem to have, like, a lot of Sanrio and stuff. There's some Hello Kitty there. I remember this sticker sheet. My mom bought that for me. My parents didn't buy me a lot of stickers, but my mom would always choose, like, really cute stickers. I remember that. Afro-Ken denim stickers. It's pretty cool. Actually, you know, I would buy those now. Yeah, I think this is, like, my animal sticker book. Yep, that's it. Never filled it up. Pages are still new. And then skipping that one. This one's empty. I do remember emptying it out. I don't know why. I think I was just moving stuff around. That was also something I did. I would borrow my friends' sticker binders, and I would reorganize their stickers for them. I'd make more room. And I would always, like, put new stickers in there. It was, like, super fun. Oh, you know what? I think this is my Sanrio book. I'll enhance a little more because these are tiny. We have some Koro Koro Kuririn. I remember these. I think these are from the, like, big card dash sticker sheets. You get so many stickers on them for, like, 100 yen. I remember I was obsessed with the snow Hello Kitty. Yes, I had a bunch of Koro Koro Kuririn. Oh yeah, it was, like, a lot of different Hello Kitties. I remember that. Some little twin stars. More Koro Koro Kuririn. I think this was, like, a huge sticker sheet. I kind of remember it now. It's so nostalgic. Look at this huge sticker, and I ripped it. Happy New Year, Valentine's Day. Oh, these designs are so old. Yeah, this is my Sanrio book for sure. I thought I had more Sanrio stuff. Random Afro-Ken, Abby. That's San X. For my favorite boy. For everybody. Happy New Year. Yeah, I literally would stick all and any stickers. Uh-oh. Yeah, these denim stickers were super popular. Hammies, I traded away a lot of these. These were popular. And whatever was here. This was from, like, a memo pad. I was super excited. It came with so many stickers. Bubbles, stars. I think I had, like, a blue theme going on there. Who knows? like hotel stickers, Disney. Oh, and these were to like put your like purikura in, the photo booth stickers in. I don't know who this bear is, but that's adorable. Big smiley face stickers. And I think these are like Sandy stickers. Oh my goodness, I had quite the collection. I was very proud of my sticker collection. And then, I don't know what this is, random sticker sheet. And then let's look at this. Here are my tile stickers. I swear I had more. I know I kept them in, I think it was this sticker book. I must have removed them all or traded them away. I don't know. But I remember I kept the big ones. Snowflakes, My Melody, Little Hammy. Actually, you know what? I remember my late teenage years, I gave away a lot of my collection to one of the girls at church, and I kind of regret it to this day. But my sticker collecting started when a girl from my neighborhood was graduating high school, junior high? I can't remember. I think it was high school. She gave me her sticker collection. It was like a file of stickers. I don't think I have hardly any of those stickers left here because that was before I was like seriously collecting. I just like put them on everywhere. But she started my collection and I wanted to do that for someone else. So I gave away like half my collection and I instantly regretted it. Anyway, this is the sticker book that look at my drawing skills have not improved since 3rd grade. But I found that packaging tape was good for like stickers. It still peels off because it's like super glossy. Look at my handmade sticker book. How bad is this? Like, I couldn't even line the pages up. Look at my Neko. Oh, and I learned how to draw this flower, like with even petals. I was so proud of it. There's a sun back there. Taiyo. I don't know why I wrote it in Japanese like that. Empitsu. Tulips. Those are horrible tulips. I never could draw, guys, so don't judge me. Kitsune, Kuma, Hoshi. Good job, Abby. This is probably where like the crafting began. Anyway, that was a trip down memory lane. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you still have your old sticker books, stickers, any kind of collections lying around, I would love to see them. Come join us on Discord, show me your collections, and I'll be back with more sticker content because it's many years later and stickers are back in and I am here for it. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!